Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I've got my glasses and my gloves and my respirator. We're doing some roof cleaning. And as you can see, this roof has a lot on this shady area, moss, and probably just moss. I don't see any lichen, but I do see a lot of moss. As you can see right there, a lot of moss. Some big pieces of moss. That one's pretty. It's almost like Christmassy color. But anyway, we're going to spray it, and the soap solution is going to kill of course, the blue-green algae, but it's also going to kill that moss, and that moss is going to turn white. So I'm going to take an after to show it white, and then that's going to take several weeks to a couple of months for it to die, because it's actually embedded into the shingles. It's going to die, and then eventually, after a good hard rain, after the tentacles have died, it's going to slough off the roof. So anyway, roof cleaning today, always a fun day. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.